Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock acrobatics in Gothic 1 Remake. Acrobatics in Gothic 1 is essentially the roll and dodge mechanic in the game. It's an essential upgrade that increases your survivability and combat effectiveness during fights. To unlock it, first you need to be at the entrance of the new camp, as you can see here on the map. If you don't have a map yet, we have a video on the channel showing how to get one, so please make sure to check it out. Now follow my path closely until we reach the NPC named Buster. The first time you come here, he'll automatically talk to you and trigger a short cutscene. After that, Buster will offer to teach you the acrobatics skill. Learning this skill allows you to dodge, roll, and reduces fall damage by 50%. And that's how to unlock acrobatics in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.